are a small organic winery, the only organic winery in the state of Michigan here. We have a small, nice tasting room nestled up near Northport, Michigan, that we serve all the different wines, ginger beers, and ciders that we make here. We were approached by Orec America to try some of their products out, and we are going to try out their Cyclone Flail Mower. It looks pretty interesting. I'm pretty excited to try it. It's a walk behind, which is great because we had a larger flail mower that we couldn't use on our small Vineyard tractor. The Cyclone has a ride behind attachment called the sulky, which you can also stand on, which seems pretty cool. So when you don't need to be inside tight spaces, you can get on and just kind of run with it. In the springtime, we prune our grapes and all the debris goes to the center. It'd be nice to come behind that with the Cyclone and mulch that down into the soil to refeed the soil with a new cambium layer that comes off of the grapevines themselves.
Just got the Cyclone, man. That thing is really awesome. It maneuvers real easily. It goes through pretty much any of the vines that I wanted it to, and was on point with the left and right steering. It's a great piece of machinery.